Favicons are nothing but the tiny little icons that gets displayed near the title of the page in the browser tab. In this video, we are going to look at how to update the favicons in Magento 2. When you install Magento 2 by default, the Magento icon will be displayed as the favicon. We can update it from the Magento 2 admin panel. The ideal size of a favicon image should be 16 pixels width and 16 pixels height, or 32 pixel width and 32 pixel height. Magento supports various favicon file formats like ICO, PNG, GIF, etc. So in order to update the favicons, navigate to Content, Configuration, and select your currently active theme and click on the edit link. In this page, click open the HTML head section. Here we have the favicon upload option. So we can either click on select from gallery to choose already uploaded image, or we can upload a new image from the upload section, upload button. So that's all about changing the favicon in Magento 2. See you on the next video. Thank you.